Hello friends, hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 43, and today's topic is conjunctions using and. Read these two sentences. Simon is going fishing. I am going fishing. We can join these sentences by using and. And is a conjunction. Simon and I are going fishing. Here are more joined sentences. John is tall. John is strong. John is tall and strong. Marva put her toys away. She went to bed. Marva put her toys away and went to bed. So here one word we have got, that is and it is called conjunction. It means and joins two or more sentences. In this place or in your age, you will just keep remember the word and is adding two sentences. So let's start what is written here. Here one exercise is given, that is use and to join each pair of sentences below. One number, our cat is white, our cat is fluffy. So how we can join these two sentences? We can join these two sentences this way, like our cat is white and fluffy. Then 2 number, the room was clean, the room was tidy. So we can write this one. How we can write this one? 2 number here we can write this one 1. We can write the room was clean and tidy. The room was clean and tidy. Next, 3 number, grandpa sat in the armchair. He fell fast asleep. 3 number, in this place we can write grandpa sat in the armchair and fell fast asleep. Phone number, here we can write the day was fine, the day was warm. How we can write this? The day was fine and warm. The day was fine and warm. Now 5 number, I gave the news agent 50 pence. I had 5 pence change. So 5 number, here we can write what we can write. We can write I gave the news agent 50 pence. And had 5 pence change. And had pence change. Now 6 number, the farmer plows the fields, he sows the seed. Here we can write 6 number, the farmer plows the seeds, plows the fields, not seeds, sorry, plows the fields and sows the seed. Sows the seed. Now 7 number. We went to the park, we played ball. We can write we went to the park and played ball. So let's write we went to the park and played ball. Now 8 number. The nurse took my temperature. The nurse took my pulse. This is so easy. We can write the nurse took my temperature and my pulse. Let's write here. The nurse took my temperature and my pulse. Now last one, 9 number. John had his breakfast. John went to school. What can we write? We can write John had his breakfast and went to school. John had his breakfast and went to school. So today we have done page number 43 from Junior English Book 1, and today's topic is conjunctions using and. Next day we will do page number 44. There we will find the topic that is things we eat and drink. Bye for today.